Hi there, Juan here with LGG Media, and in this video, we're going to cover how to add a Facebook page into your business manager. Uh, by adding a Facebook page into your business manager, you will be able to start running advertisements from that specific Facebook account. So let's dive right in. Go ahead and head over to your business settings. I already have mine open up here. Make sure you're in the correct business manager here. You may have just one or you may have multiple ones. So make sure you select the right Facebook manager. So head over to accounts, go to pages. Here's where you will see your Facebook pages. I built a Facebook page called Juan Colicchio. You can add your existing page here. So if you want to find, I don't know, for example, another Facebook page here, you could just very well do that. In my case, I already have this page added to our main advertisement page, so it will give me an error, so I'm not going to do that. But if you already have an existing page, just add it like this. If you don't have a Facebook page, follow the steps and create a new page. Set it up this way, just follow the instructions. Once the page is created, you're going to go back here and you're going to refresh your page and you're going to see the page that you just created or added listed here. Make sure that you give yourself people access, give yourself access as an administrator, give all your full privileges. And yeah, that's essentially it for the Facebook page. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. If not, I'll see you on the very next video.